Welcome back, everybody. This is 2 or 3 days after the last clip, but today we're going to tear the water pump housing off. I've got a rebuild kit up here. It's got the new aluminum water pump housing fins, all the seals, the gasket. That's an Amazon special. But I'll get this tore down, and I bought a I think it's called a helicoil, where you strip out aluminum threads, you rethread them. I bought a kit because I gotta redo that bolt. I stripped it out the first time I rebuilt this water pump, and I threw that little bolt in there, and I'm gonna see if that will work. You all stay tuned. I'll get all my parts and everything together and we will get started. Alright, first thing we do, get you a catch pan, take the top radiator hose off, let it all drain out what it can. This once you break these bolts loose down here, it'll leak some more. I believe I know why I stripped them last time. I torqued them down too much.
I gotta wait till that dry to put WD-40 on there.
Water displacement. See a little rust right here, a little rust around that bolt. Mud has made its way into the wheat pole somewhere around there. I can't see it from this angle. See if we can get this nut off.
Oh, son.
You can tell it bends and carries on. That's an old part, never to be used again. Not on my razor.
Let me dim it for you real quick.
Hey, is that any more good, Josh?
That's Charles.
No, you can throw it away.
Give it here. What a sucky throw. It went right into the... Where went my jerky?
There went my coolant.
Your coolant has my jerky in it.
Your jerky is in my coolant. That little thing, you gotta try to get it out of there. You gotta be easy on that aluminum wall. And now I gotta get all that. The new one's got that little blue stuff. Well, that blue stuff come off the old one and it's stuck in there. We're gonna try to get it out. And then we'll take us a scrub pad, like a Scotch-Brite, and we'll clean the shaft of this water pump real good. And hopefully that'll cure all of our problems.
Won't have no more leaky weep hole.
I gotta fix the weep hole too.
What? You gotta fix it?
Take a grease fitting that'll fit inside of it, wherever it's at. I know it's right there somewhere. And you drill it out to where it'll fit in there. And you drive it up in there, and you take a hose like this and attach to it and run it up. And that keeps dirt and sand and grit from getting in there and wearing that steel out.
Dog, would you quit? It's my jerky.
Everybody loves mangy beef jerky. We got the old seal out. We got the new one knocked in. You want to make sure you have something that'll fit right over it. You just tap it in till this copper liner is not got a lip hanging out. It's all even up against the block. Now what we're going to do is this bolt hole right here is stripped out, and I am going to drill it, tap it, put a helicoil in, and it'll be ready for a bolt. This is my first time doing this. We're just gonna try it and see if we can have any luck. Go get us a drill.
Light sensitivity or something.
I had to remove this shock because it wouldn't let my drill be straight. Alright, I'll let you hold that. You said about right there.
That's all you gonna say? Right there, straight up and down for me. How deep to go?
Right there. Yeah, that's how deep it was. About right there. Now we're gonna take this tab, put her over. He's doing this, we'll go over here and look at my helicoil set, or whatever they call them. I bought this entire set. We need one of these. This thing is supposed to break the tab off after you screw it in with this thing. Screw it right in there.
No, I've never used these things.
You ain't never used them?
I've never used helicoil. They gotta give you a better wrench, I know that. Now do you just get
Screw it in there till it almost stops.
huh? Now what?
Done. Pull that wrench off. And then you take this and put in there and it breaks that back tab off. Take a hammer and
Hammer?
just hit it. Now we'll see if a bolt is screwed in there. Josh got that one tapped out. It works. The next thing to go in will be this. That's the old one. You can see the imprint. This is the new one. It goes on like this with the rubber facing back towards you. And then our big brand new aluminum fin, it only goes on billet. It only goes on one way. You can see the little straight lines on it. Pull gasket out. Throw it up there. We screw this into the helicoil when we're done till the bolt stops. Then you just tighten the nut down. Some of them take long ones. I don't know which ones.
I'll find the right ones anywhere.
The thing about the 08 Razor is when you go through mud and when you go through sand, it will work its way right up through that weep hole and it will wear that seal out. I've probably not got maybe 200 miles, 300 miles on this, and I just rebuilt this not long ago. And we've hit some good mud holes. You can see right by that fender right there. There's mud plumb up in there.
I would knock it off, but
I ain't gonna use it.
no.
We'll be disposing of that antifreeze with the local hazardous waste company, and but
Save the polar bears.
gotta save the polar bears. But we will get this shock put back on. We can go ahead and hook this hose back up. And I don't need to show you all how to do the bed because the bed is pretty much custom. I put new holes in it here, there, and yonder, and I'm not going to show y'all how to do that because I will mess y'all up because my bolt hoses do not line up with stock. If you're trying to do your water pump rebuild like I am. But that'll be it for this video because like I said, I'll do all this off camera. Until next time, we are planning on going riding here in the next 2 weeks, I'd say, pretty soon. So hopefully we can get all these Razors fixed up, ready to go. The Can-Am's ready as far as I know. Maybe we might do a video or two before we go, maybe. And we'll be taking you all along with us, showing you what all we do this time. It'll probably be nothing crazy because I'm not brave enough. But yeah, I guess that's about it. Until next time, may the good Lord bless you. Y'all stay safe and healthy. Remember to have fun, and we'll see y'all on the other side.